excited to try this. Good morning guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to take some photos with this guy that I've actually never met before, but he's a photography student and he's sort of like a friend of a friend, so I'm sort of helping him out with some photos for his portfolio. Before I start getting ready, I'm just going to put some ice on my face to help with the puffiness. You guys know that I do this literally every day, but especially on days where I'm taking photos, it really does make a huge difference. I find that I get really puffy around my jawline and also my cheeks, so I just find that ice sort of helps that. I'm just going to put a little bit of makeup on for this photo shoot today. Obviously you guys know I like a relatively natural look, so I'm not going to add that much, but I'm just going to put a little bit on so that I feel a little bit nicer. I haven't really been wearing that much makeup recently because I was down at the beach for the beginning of this week, and then I was also at the pool yesterday, just trying to enjoy summer and all that jazz. While I was down at the beach, I spent a lot of the time just sort of reflecting on 2021 and my goals for the year and the things that I'm really hoping to get out of this year, and I guess sort of also the kind of content that I want to share with you guys. So I didn't really end up vlogging that much of my time down at the beach because I was kind of just trying to enjoy it and relax a bit and get ready for the new year. But given you guys have seen me do this a million times before, I'm going to insert the few little clips that I did shoot. Like it's cold, but it's actually, what would it be right now? It's still 30 degrees?
31 degrees. We'll walk down there tomorrow.
Yeah, that sounds so nice. Got these new shoes today.
Oh.
What do you think?
Yeah, good.
This is Thailand, Nick.
Yeah, Thailand, Nick.
Tick.
Tick.
Oh, my chest is so burnt.
It really is. You keep chasing.
So today I want to make some mango sticky rice. Nick and I absolutely love eating mango sticky rice when we're in Thailand. We obviously haven't been there since 2019 now because of the lockdown and everything, so I thought I would make it today. How do you say mango sticky rice in Thai?
Khao niao mang wan.
Khao niao mang wan. Say it one more time.
Khao niao mang wan.
Khao
Khao. Rice.
Khao niao niao. Khao niao.
Let's see rice. Mang wan.
Mang wang.
Mang wan.
Mang wang. All I know how to say is tira. What is it? Rakta tira. Is that right?
That's pretty good.
So I learned how to say last time I was there. I actually felt like I was learning a bit of Thai last time, but I don't know. It's kind of all gone because we haven't been for so long. All right. Anyways, I'm going to make this mango sticky rice now. So I've already prepared the rice. All I had to do was put it in the fridge for a day or like overnight, and then now I'm just going to do the next steps, and yeah, hopefully it turns out well. I'm really excited. Also, by the way, I just got this jumper in and I love it. It's so cozy and warm. It's from the brand, I don't know how to pronounce it, but anyways, it's from that brand. I'll obviously just link it below, and yeah, it's super cozy. It's kind of cold today, that's why I'm wearing a jumper. Okay, my rice is steaming, hopefully, except I couldn't really get a tight seal on that lid because of the sieve, so I don't even know. We'll see how this goes. So while the rice cooks, I'm going to start making the coconut, what's it called? Coconut and sugar dressing, I guess, for the rice. I'm gonna get 1 cup of coconut milk. I'm going to get 1/3 of a cup of sugar. And I'm just going to mix this on the stove until the sugar dissolves. So it says just to stir this into the mixture, and then it just has to sit covered for 30 minutes. So while the rice is standing, I'm going to make the little sauce that goes on top of mango sticky rice. This is actually turning out pretty well so far. I'm really excited to try this. I hope it tastes even slightly like the ones that we have in Thailand. I think I'll be pretty impressed if it's even like half as good. And then it says put in the fridge to cool. Okay. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. And that's enough. You fry with that? That's yours?
Yeah, that's stacked. Yeah.
Is that too much?
No, that's good. Cooking with Jess.
What's it called again? Kapakao.
Khao niao mamwang.
Khao niao mamwang.
That's pretty good.
Mmm. It's really good. Oh my god, it actually tastes like the one in Thailand.
Takes me back.
Going one day a week or something like that, it's for painting.
Decided to do some painting today, haven't we?
Oh yeah.
So we've just come to buy some paints. This is mine. This is Nick's. He went for a bit more realistic. I sort of went a bit more abstract. I feel like I was drawing just all the things that I feel on a daily basis. This is the first time that we've ever painted before, right?
First time I painted.
I mean, I used to paint a little bit
Since
when
like
I was in school.
year 7 or something.
Yeah, like I used to paint a bit in school.
I hated art class.
Really?
It was the worst.
Art was my favourite class. Yeah, but anyways, I feel like it was a good first effort.
First of many.
First of many. This is going to be a new hobby for us, we think. We're going to like spend all weekend painting. Painting and making mango sticky rice.
We need to get smocks.
Yes. Oh my god, we need to get easels.
Yes.
Good morning, guys. We're going to get Lune croissants, hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
Granted, the line is not too long. It's always so long on the weekends, so we'll see. And get a little coffee. It's kind of late for us today. I think it's like already 11 and
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Sunday though.
Yeah, it's Sunday.
Nice,
Sunday vibe.
easy Sunday morning.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm sure it's gonna be
So you got the pan au chocolat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pan au chocolat.
Pan au chocolat.
Is that all the chocolates in there?
Gosh, there's not enough chocolate.
Last one was really good, but they just clearly forgot to add a lot of chocolate to it.
Yeah.
Got a chocolate croissant, and there was like a tiny
Bit of chocolate.
yeah, like 80% of bites, no chocolate.
That's just not good enough.
It's not good enough.
But I would say that they are the best croissants in Melbourne. Or to be frank is pretty good as well.
To be frank, is actually really good.
Yeah,
Although I
you
haven't
like
had their
that one.
croissants, but their pastries in general.
Yeah, but I still think Lune is just a bit better.
Yeah. I think I like To Be Frank better, to be honest. I like the
Really?
experience better. Like,
Okay.
Lune is really cool,
very
and it's
interesting.
like, it's so aesthetic, and you go in
like
there super nice and
industrial.
trendy in the middle of Fitzroy.
Yeah.
But To Be Frank has that more casual, like, local feel to it.
And I love that the baker is always there as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, he's just there doing his
So,
thing.
Not a lot of people know about it yet. So anyways, maybe I would say you should definitely try both if you're in Melbourne. You can walk from one to the other, so might as well just hit up both. I don't really think I've ever told you guys this before, but when I was growing up, I used to spend the entire summer doing different creative DIY projects at home. I was really into making jewelry. I loved to knit. I loved to make my own clothes. So one of my goals for 2021 was to spend my spare time doing creative projects. Obviously with my job, I am very creative every day, but I feel like making jewelry and sewing and painting and that kind of thing is sort of a different type of creativity than what I do on a day-to-day basis. Funny story is one of the first businesses that I ever had growing up was a jewelry business. I literally used to sell all these bracelets to my friends at school. I think I used to charge maybe $8 for these like really big thick ones because they used to take me like 2 days to make. And then I would charge like $4 for these ones. I actually got pretty good at making these bracelets. I could even write people's name in them. Oh, this girl never got hers. It's still unfinished. But yeah, I hope you guys loved this week's vlog. I'm definitely going to vlog a lot more this year. Please do let me know below what things you would like me to vlog about and what you would like to see. I'm really excited about the kind of content that I'm planning on creating this year. I have so many different ideas for YouTube and for Instagram. So the next video that I'll be uploading after this one is part 2 to the denim try on haul and review. So I will see you guys there. But in the meantime, I'm pretty much just going to spend the rest of the night finishing off this necklace. So anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!